guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys what I do to get these not so looking good brows to better looking brows. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any new videos, and hit the little notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Alright guys, so the first thing that I did, I went ahead and primed my face and added my foundation. I don't know why, I just got used to doing it that way. I know a lot of people just do their brows and eyes first, but for some reason I just got used to doing my primer and my foundation first. After I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and add my concealer. And for my concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Born This Way concealer. I love this concealer. It's my favorite concealer at the moment. I've been using it for a good year at least, or a little bit more, but I love this one, and I'm in the shade Light Beige. I'll go ahead and leave all the information in the description down below just so you guys know. For some reason, I just love priming my face with a concealer. I don't really like the eyeshadow base, so that's what I pretty much do first. I prime my eyes. I pretty much add concealer to my lid and the bottom of my brow. And by priming my lid and my brow, I feel like it kind of helps me carve out the brow a little bit better. And I'm just taking my beauty blender and blending that out, and oh my gosh, my blender looks so dirty. I need to wash it. I just kind of dab it into the skin. So now that the eyes are primed, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow brush and use the spoolie at the end of it and just kind of brush my eyebrow hairs back. And now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the pomade. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate. And as you can tell, I use it quite a bit. It's my favorite. That's the only thing that I use for my brow. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in there. I don't wanna go in too hard because then it's gonna come out really rough. Go back with the spoolie and just kind of brush it back, and it's gonna help not make it look so harsh. Then in the front, as you can tell, I went in with a lighter hand just to kind of give it that gradient effect. And it's okay if you mess up because you can always go back in with the concealer and clean it up with a brush, which is what I usually always do. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other brow. I don't know about you guys, but I always have to do like both brows at the same time. Do any of you guys just completely do one brow and then the other? That's how I am with my eyeshadow as well. I'll just do one eye, first step, next eye, first step again. I can't finish one eye and then do the other. I have to like go at the same time with both eyes. I don't know if anybody else is like that, but I know I am. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Brush the hairs back one more time. And bring the product down to fill in the brow. And then I just kind of like to feather in the front with a light hand to kind of give it like a feathery effect. So I feel like this one looks a little bit harsh, but that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and clean it up with the concealer and then just brush the hairs out with a spoolie. So then I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush. It's an M421 brush, and I'm gonna use that to carve out the bottom of my brows and clean them up. And I'm just gonna be going in just to clean up the brows and make them look a little bit more precise. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the top. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of blend it out. I went a little bit over right here, so I'm just gonna go back in with the pomade. And I like to blend it out also with my beauty blender. You can also use foundation for the top if you don't want it to look too dramatic. I do that here and there, but today I just decided to go in with the concealer. And then just use the other side to kind of blend it in with the foundation. And I do the same with the bottom. And I like to go out a little bit in the front as well, so it's gonna kind of give you that unibrow look for a second, but we're gonna go ahead and fix that, so don't worry. I'm just gonna blend this out with the brush. I also like to go in with my fingers and blend it out as well. All right, and then in the middle, I'm just gonna kind of go in with whatever's left and conceal. And then I'll just go in with my beauty blender. And I'll just kind of go back in with the spoolie one last time. I'll take some loose powder and set my lid and eyebrows. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this Morphe, and it's just a fluffy brush. This one's a Morphe E23. And after I'm done setting the lid, I'll just kind of go through the brow as well to set the eyebrows, and then the top of them where we added concealer. And that's pretty much how I do my brows. This is the final look. Final look for my brows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you guys hit the like button so I can make more videos like these, and make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.